Hi everybody. So I get a lot of questions about whether or not our mascara is waterproof. And we actually say that it's water resistant, meaning that once it goes on, it does not smudge, but it also washes off easily. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration. Now we have two tubes. Okay, so the longer tube is the transplanting gel. The shorter tube is the fibers. So I'm just going to demonstrate this on my hand for right now. And I'm going to show you what happens when it gets wet. So I'm just going to put a streak of the gel on my hand. I'm going to put some fibers, just like I would do if I was applying it on my eyes. Gel, fibers, and the gel. And I'm just going to let that just set for just a second. And what I love about it, especially now that it's summertime and we're out, we're sweaty or we're swimming, if you have an emotional kind of day and you cry, your mascara is not going anywhere. So that's something that I just love about it. So without further ado, I'm going to dip my hand in my little bucket here. I have a little bucket of water. And I'm just going to dip it on in. And as you can see, it did not run, it didn't smudge. I'm going to dip it, really get it in there good. Sorry, it's hard to see here. Okay, so my mascara is still perfectly intact. It will wash off easily just by rubbing it off. I use our Shine makeup cloths to remove my mascara at night. You can also use any makeup remover. You can use soap and water. So I cut the cloths in half just so I can get more uses out of them. Just like another little money saving tip there. And I'm just gonna wipe it right off and it's gone. So awesome, love that feature because nobody wants to walk around with black stuff all over their face, especially when you go to wipe it off and wash it off, it comes off super easily. All right, that's today's tip. Bye.